Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a magnetic phone mount for a Ford Bronco. It's got a bespoke connector on the bottom that goes into the Accessory Ready slot on the dash of the Bronco. Let's get it installed and check it out. A big thank you to ZKJAYOE for providing the product for this video. This magnetic phone mount comes with an ABS handle, it has two aluminum ball joints, it has the magnetic housing, and then it has an additional plate that you can put on the back of the phone if you don't have a MagSafe case. Flipping the product over, you can see there's a prep wipe if you don't have a MagSafe case. There's the bespoke mounting bracket at the bottom there for the Accessory Ready slot on the Bronco. I originally had a bring your own device rail installed on the dash of the Bronco, so I needed to remove this before installing the phone mount. This is simply one bolt and two sticky pads and the rail removes quickly. Looking closer at the Accessory Ready mount, you can see the ball joint has a couple of raised ridges that go either side of the Accessory Ready mount. And the neat thing is it only slides on one way. I just wanted to show that up close for you so you could see what was going on. Here we're installing the mount itself. You take the long hex bolt included in the kit and put it all the way down the center of the mount. Screw down the bolt and then tighten it with a 4.5mm hex wrench that comes with the kit. Next, on the magnetic mount, unscrew this retainer. Next, insert the ball joint. Make sure you use the side that does not have a rubber ring on it. And then tighten down the retaining clamp. On the main mounting arm, unscrew the clasps on both ends. Now insert the ball joint with the rubber band around it. That will give you some friction as you tighten it down. Now take the other end of the arm and install it on the ball joint you've already installed on the dash. I'm attempting to screw this down one-handed just so my hand doesn't get in the way of the video. Obviously it'll be a lot easier for you with two hands. And here you can see there's a full range of motion. The head moves up and down and it rotates side to side. Once you find a position you want it, clamp it down really tight. And this is what it looks like with the phone attached to it. As I mentioned, I've got a MagSafe case, so it just went straight on there. But if you put the adhesive ring on the back of your cell phone case, it will work just the same way. And here's the other side with the tightening handles. As you can see, it's very easy to install. That mount, it's bespoke to the Ford Bronco. You slide it on, put the bolt in, tighten it down. Open up the ABS clamps, put in the ball joints, and then you are good to go. You've got it mounted on the dash, put the ball joint in, and you're good to go. The phone mounts on there really securely. I've got a MagSafe case on the back of my phone, so it just connected straight away. But the kit does come with a magnetic ring that you can stick on there, and that will make it work if you don't have a MagSafe case. I think this is a neat phone mount. It's bespoke and it fits there on the dash. It could do with maybe being an inch or two longer though. I feel like it's a little bit too far back, but apart from that, I think it's great. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.